What's the meaning of bird of paradise? Bird of paradise. Bird of paradise.
Bird of paradise. Bird of paradise. Bird of paradise refers to a group of strikingly beautiful and vibrantly colored birds native to Papua New Guinea and eastern Australia. The bird's name is derived from its unique appearance, which is reminiscent of a bird in flight or a tropical flower in bloom. Known for their colorful plumage and elaborate courtship rituals, these birds have captured the imagination of people around the world. Beyond the avian species, the term bird of paradise has come to symbolize anything that is exotic, rare, or captivatingly beautiful. In popular culture, it has been used to name everything from luxury resorts to fashion lines, and inspires awe and admiration wherever it appears.